Want to check whether the motor is the problem by bypassing the engine control module for a temporary diagnostic check. Start by gathering the right tools and safety gear. Insulated gloves, a multimeter, a fused power supply or bench supply capable of the motor control voltage and current, and a wiring diagram for the specific vehicle make and model. Confirm the motor's connector pinout from the diagram so you only energize the correct windings and not sensitive sensors or other circuits. Isolate the motor from the vehicle wiring harness by disconnecting the module plug and verifying continuity of each winding with the multimeter set to resistance mode. Write down which pins correspond to each winding and to ground. Use a current-limited power source set to a low current limit, then apply power briefly to the winding pairs while monitoring for rotation, abnormal noise, heat, or smoke. Do not exceed the motor nameplate voltage or the current limit because excessive current will damage the motor. If you have a Techmate Pro or an equivalent direct power tool with built-in protections, follow its guidance for connection order and pulse duration so you provide controlled voltage and current pulses rather than continuous supply. After each brief energization, recheck winding resistance and insulation to detect any change that indicates internal faults. Common problems are energizing the wrong circuit and feeding power into the vehicle harness, which can damage other modules, so always disconnect the harness and verify pinouts before applying any power. Another frequent issue is using an unfused or non-current limited power source, which can overheat the winding and cause permanent motor damage, so always use current limiting or fusing rated below the motor stall current. People also forget to secure the motor mechanically before testing, which can let it spin freely and whip wiring or move components. Clamp the motor or restrain the rotating part, and keep clear hands and loose clothing during pulses. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for repair and diagnostic work related to motors and control modules, and we maintain a discussion community where members share real-world tips and troubleshooting. Threads. We help contractors find new jobs by listing project opportunities and fostering peer-to-peer exchanges in our community.